Good morning, everyone. In few minutes, we'll be starting off. In few minutes, we'll be starting off. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Few minutes time, we'll be starting off. Wherever you're watching me from, please comment. Comment your place, comment your state, comment your country. Good morning, wherever you're watching me from, good day. In few minutes, we'll be starting off. So we have several questions we'll be crushing today. And it will be teacher-student interactive session, like we normally do it. So first question goes to the teacher, the second to you. All right, all right. Come on, let's wait for them. Let's wait for them. We'll be starting off in few minutes. Few minutes. Few minutes time, we'll be starting off. All right, we have one person that just joined us. Good day, good day, good day. Happy to see you here. Happy to have you with us. All right. Five minutes more, and then we start off. 5 minutes more, and then we start off. Let's wait for them. I'm excited. I'm excited because we're going to be doing lots of learning. So many questions will be crushing in this live session. And once you are gaining value from this video, from this live session, please give this video, this live session, a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. All right. Few minutes. While we wait, let's get our pen, our notebook, our notepad, whichever. Get your calculators, because you're going to be solving some questions. We're going to be solving some questions. And once you get the answer, make sure you comment, drop your answers in the comment section. Oh, good morning from Nigeria, Ocean State. Oh, thank you, Dari. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. Thank you. Please make sure you get your pen, your paper, your notebook, your calculators, because we'll be needing them and we'll be using them in the course of this section. All right, let's check how many minutes we have left. 3 minutes more, and then we are live. Oh, we have 2 persons with us. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. Please comment if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Am I audible enough? Can you hear me? Is the network good? If you can hear me, please comment. I can hear you. And if you're ready for this live session, comment, say, I am ready, fully ready. Precious, good morning from Nigeria, Delta State. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. 2 minutes more and we will start. 2 minutes more. 2 minutes more. 2 minutes more. I'm excited. Don't know about you. I'm super, super excited because this live session is going to be the best session or the live session you've ever attended. All right. So once it's 11 o'clock on the dot, we start. It's 10:59 by my time. Oh, Dari, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. 10:59. Okay, and it is time. So let's start. Our first question is arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order of magnitude. Arrange the following in ascending order of magnitude. So we have the first 1, 1, 0 in base 2, comma, 3, 1 in base 8, comma, and 4, 2 in base 5. So whichever way you want to write it, you can write it in words, but I just want to write it in numbers. So whichever one you want to do, you can do. So now, we cannot really arrange it the way we are saying it. It's not going to work that way. If you say, this one, since the base is smaller, this one will be first, this one will come, and then this one will be last, that's not true. It can't work that way. So what you need to do is change all of this to base 10. From there, you can easily arrange them in ascending order. What is ascending order? Starting from the smallest to the biggest. You get it? So let's do that. The first one is 1, 1, 0 in base 2. Are you getting it? So what do? We arrange. Here is 0, 1, and 2. Can you see that? So the first number on top is 0, 1, and 2. Is that taken? So we expand 1, this 1, times the base to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 0. So that's the first one. So let's solve it. We have 1 times, what's 2 to the power of 2? That's 4. We put it there. 1 times 2 to the power of 1, it's 2. And 0 times 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Now, 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 times 2 is 2, and 0 times 1 is 0. So we have 6 in base 10. Do you see that? So we've gotten one of it to be what? 6 in base 10. Let's crush the other one, which is 31 in base 8. We arrange it again, and we'll say 0 here and 1 here. Is that clear? So we'll say 3 times 8 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 8 to the power of 0. Are you saying it? 8 to the power of 1 is still 8. And 1 times 8 to the power of 0 is 1. Are we saying that? Now, this is 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 times 1 is 1. And this will give us 25 in base 10. Do you see how to convert from another base to base 10? That's how to convert from another base to base 10. So we'll do the last one, which is 42. We'll do the last, which is 42. So we have 42 in base 5. Are you saying that? So we do it the same way again, 0 and 1. So we say 4 times 5 to the power of 1, and 2 times 5, the base, to the power of 0. So 4 times 5 to the power of 1 is 5. Are we getting it? And then 2 times 5 to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 4 times 5 is 20, and 2 times 1 is 2. We have 22 to base 10. Can we see that now? So now, this is when we can now arrange it the normal way. 6 will start, followed by 22, and then 25. Do you understand? Now, this is how it is. 6 base 10, 22 base 10, and what? 25 base 10. So this is not how we're going to just represent it. We're going to represent it with this form. Do you understand? This was how it was given to us. This is just to help us arrange it in the right way. So which of them represents 6, or which of them is 6 representing? That's 110. So we write it 110 in base 2, followed by 22 represents 42 in base 5, and then followed by 31 in base what? In base 8. So that's how to arrange them. That's how to arrange them in ascending order. And when you are asked to arrange them in descending order, it starts from this to this and then this, from the biggest to the smallest. Let me give you some space so that you can see it. So this was how it started, and this is how it ended. Hope it's clear. It's clear, right? So we're going to the second question. This second question is for you. So the second question is for you. This is in ascending order. In ascending order. That's in ascending order. So we're going to the second question. I'll put that here. A number is chosen at random. Number 2 question is, a number is chosen at random from 40 to 50. A number is chosen at random from 40 to 50 inclusive. Find the probability that the number is prime. Find the probability that the number is prime. So over to you. Find the probability that the number is prime. So solve that. A number is chosen at random from 40 to 50 inclusive. Find the probability that the number is prime. So let's go. Once you've gotten the answer, please drop your answer in the comment section. Drop your answer in the comment section. Let's go. We can do it. You just have 3 minutes to solve this question. So once it's time up, you have to stop. 3 minutes to solve this particular question. So you have to select all the prime numbers from 40 to 50. Find their probability. 1 minute is gone. 1 minute is gone. If you have the answers, please comment. Please comment. Please comment. A number is chosen at random from 40 to 50 inclusive. Can we see it? If you can see the question on the board, please comment. I can see it in the comment section or in the chat box. Please comment. I can see the question. Please comment. I can see the question, so that I'll be sure. All right, please, let's solve it. If you have the answer already, please comment. Drop the answer in the comment section. I want to see it. I would really love to see it. If you have the answer to this question already, drop it in the comment section. And if you're just joining us, please comment where you're joining us or where you're watching us from. If it's from in Canada, Australia, United States, please comment. You can say your name, where you're watching us from. If you have the answer to the question, you can comment. All right, 2 minutes gone already. 1 minute left. 1 minute left for this answer, for this question to be solved. One minute is almost gone. 1 minute is almost gone. And going. All right, time up. So I'll solve it since no one has been able to crush this question. So let's solve it. So we are asked to find the probability that that number that will be chosen at random from 40 to 50 inclusive is a prime. So when they say 40 to 50 inclusive, which means we're starting our counting from 40 and we'll end in 50. Do you understand? So solution. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So now after numbering all of this, the next thing we'll do is to select all the prime numbers. To select what? All the prime numbers from 40 to 50. The first one, the first prime number here is 41. Next is 43. And the next is 47. We all know what prime numbers are. Numbers that only one and itself can go into without a remainder. Those are prime numbers. So now we have 3 prime numbers from 40 to 50. What do? We'll say probability that it's what? A prime is what? 1, 2, 3. All over the total number of numbers. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 over 11 is the answer. Can you see how easy it is? Very simple. Very, very simple. 3 over 11. The 3 there is the prime numbers that we have in this series of numbers. And then the 11 is the total number that we are asked to concentrate on. Are you getting it? So we are going to the next question. We're going to the next question immediately. 20 minutes is already spent. 20 minutes is already spent. All right. So the next question says, a bag contains 4 white marbles and 3 blue marbles. Number 3, a bag contains 4 white marbles and 3 blue marbles. 4 white marbles and 3 blue marbles. Another bag contains 5 red and 6 blue marbles. Another bag contains 5 red and 6 blue marbles. 5 red and 6 blue marbles. If a marble is picked at random from each bag, if a marble is picked at random from each bag, if a marble is picked at random from each bag, find the probability that they are the same color. Find the probability that they are the same color. So find the probability that they are the same color. So we'll be solving this one now. So solution, first bag. The first bag contains 4 whites. We're going to use W to represent white, and B for blue, 3 blue, 4 whites and 3 blue. Is that not so? And then a second bag contains 5 red, Let's use a capital R for that, and 6 blue. So altogether, the first bag has 7 marbles. Isn't that so? And the second bag has 11 marbles. Are we there? So, what do? We're asked to find the probability that they have the same color. And which of them from the two bags are having, what will I say? From the two bags has the same color. What color is represented in the both bags? That's blue, isn't it? That's blue, isn't that so? So we have 3 blue, we have 6 blue in each bag. One of the first bag has 3 and the second bag has 6. Is that not so? All right, so we're asked to look for the probability that they are the same color, the same color. So the first thing we'll do is say 3 all over 7 for the first bag, probability of same color equals, are you getting it? The both of them, which is multiplication. Then this is 6 all over total bag 11. Are we there now? 6 over 11, 3 over 7. Then we multiply. 3 times 6 giving us 18 all over 7 times 11 to give us what? 77. So this is the probability. Probability of same color is 18 over 77. 18 over 77 is that probability. Very easy. Do you understand? Because the two bags are having blue. The two bags are having blue. So the first bag has 3 blue, 3 all over what? 7, the total number of bags in the first bag. Total number of marbles in the first bag. Then this one has 6 all over the total number of marbles in the second bag. So we multiply them and then this is the answer we got. So we're moving to the next question, and this question is for you. So please, let's try and crush this question. Let's try and crush this question so that it doesn't look like I'm the only one solving it. So let's try. We're here to learn. We're here to learn. We're here to learn. The next question says, the truth set. This is number 4. The truth set of 8 plus 2x minus x squared is equal to 0 is PQ is P, Q, evaluate P plus Q. Evaluate P plus Q. All right, so let's wipe this other one because we're done with it. Okay, so what do we do? What do we do in this case? What I normally like to do is make it, I try to rearrange it so that it's more easier for me. It's more easier for me. So I'm just giving you a little hint. So what you need to do is to rearrange it. But if you can solve it just the way it is, go ahead. The question is for you, not for me. So go ahead and solve it. Go ahead and solve it. Drop your answer in the comment section. So you have to solve it the normal way that we solve quadratic equation. Once you've gotten the value for P and Q, you add them up together and you just comment your answer. 30 minutes in this session already. If you're gaining value from this session, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're gaining value from this session, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. All right, so let's go. Let's go. Few minutes gone for this particular question. If you are through, please comment. If you are through, please comment. Thank you, Dari. Quite easily done. Thank you. All right, we have a question. So you have to solve this question. It's a quadratic question. So once you're done solving it and you've gotten your value of P and Q, you have to add the answers together. Evaluate P plus Q. So let's solve it. Let's solve it. Go ahead and solve it. You have just 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. If you're done, please put your answer in the comment section. I would love to see it. If you're done with it, comment. If you're done with it, comment. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, Dari said the answer is 2. All right. That's good. That's better. At least someone has solved it. Someone has solved it. Thank you, Dari. Thank you so much. All right. All right, let's crush it. Let's crush this question right away. Let's crush it right away. So like I said, I like to rearrange it to really look like the quadratic equation, how quadratic equation is being arranged normally. I like to rearrange questions like this to suit properly. You can decide not to do that and you still get the answer. All right, so I'm just going to say, going to use the negative sign to open up this bracket so that, because normally if you are to rearrange it, it will look like this: minus x squared plus 2x plus 8 equals to 0. So because I want to remove this minus in front, I'm just going to use the negative to also counter it. All right, so let's open it up. We have minus 8 here, minus 2x, and plus x squared equals 0. So I can now rearrange it to look like x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So can you see how neat it looks now? Instead of the one carrying minus here, you see the use of the minus that we use in opening the brackets. All right, so now I can proceed in solving. Well, I would like to use the very simple method, the normal method, the general method. So we have 1 here. We have 1 here as the coefficient of x squared. So we say 1 times minus 8 will have 1 times minus 8 will give us minus 8. So let's write all the multiples of 8. That includes 1 times 8 and 4 times 2. 1 times 8 and what? 4 times 2. So now between these two multiples of 8, which one will be able to give us a minus 2 in the middle? It has to be this, can never be this. Are you getting it? So we are working with this one now. So now with this one, how do we put the minus and how do we put the plus? I would suggest we put it this way, minus here and a plus here. With this, minus 4 times plus 2 will give us a minus 8, which is this. And minus 4 plus 2 will give us a minus 2, which is the middle that we're asked to look for. So now we factorize by, okay, let's impute everything. Minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So we factorize by grouping. Are you saying that? So what is common here? X is common. We'll factor it out, and then we have 4. Plus what is common here is 2. We'll factor it out, and we have this again. So now the two brackets are the same. We just select only one, which is x minus 4. And then we pick the ones outside, which is x plus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0. So are we there now? Which is what? X plus 2. All right. Now, x minus 4 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. This will give us x is equals to minus 4 or x is equals to minus 2. No, sorry, this will give us a plus 4 and then this will give us a minus 2. Is that not so? So a plus 4 and a minus 2. Now, this P, this represents 4 and this Q represents what? Minus 2. That's what P and Q represents. I know it was a bit confusing, but that's what they represent. They are the roots of the equation. All right, now we're asked to evaluate P plus Q. We're asked to evaluate P plus Q. So what is P plus Q? It is 4 plus minus 2, which is 4. Plus times minus is minus, and we have 2. And then P plus Q is 2. P plus Q is 2. That's the answer. That's the answer. Quite easily done. So, Dari, you are a genius. You're correct. Your answer was brilliant. That's amazing. That's amazing. So, we'll be going over to the next question. Yeah. You did well. Thank you so much for answering very correctly. Thank you, Dari. So we'll be going over to the next question. We'll be going over to the next question. I will have to wipe off everything here. Please, if you're gaining value from this live session, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let's quickly continue. Let's quickly continue. A money lender collects $200. A money lender collects $200. Number 5, a money lender collects $200. Simple interest. $200 simple interest. On a capital after 2 years at 5%. On a capital after 2 years at 5%. Calculate the capital invested. Calculate the capital invested. Calculate the capital invested. So a money lender collects $200 simple interest on a capital after 2 years at 5%. Calculate the capital invested. So we're asked to look for, if you know the formula for simple interest, which is I equals PRT over 100, we're asked to look for the P. We already know the simple interest, we know the rates, and we know the time. All right, so solution. Simple interest, PRT over 100. Now, our simple interest is $200. Our P, we do not know. Our rate is 5. Our time is 2 years all over 100. So this is over 1. So we cross multiply. We'll have this to be 20,000 equals 5 times 2 is 10p. Are you seeing that? So what do we do? 20,000 equals 10p. We divide both sides by 10. We divide both sides by 10. 10 cancels. We have p to be what? $2,000. So the capital invested was $2,000, and in the space of 2 years, the simple interest accumulated was $200. Can you imagine that? That's huge. So that's how to solve questions like this. Very, very easy. Can you see how when it's my turn to solve, I don't even take time? But I will not give people enough time. It is well. If not that Dari was able to at least break that yoke, and at least someone answered my question for the first time in a live session. Thank you, Dari, one more time. Thank you so much. All right, so this question again is for you. Don't leave the question for only Dari to answer. You should try and answer. Thank you so much. All right, so the next question is a sweet one. It's a sweet question. So let's wipe this side of the board. So simplify. Number 6. Simplify 2.2, log 2.25 to base 10 plus 4 log 2 plus 4 log 2 to base 10 minus 2 log 0.6 minus 2 log 0.6 to base 10. So this question is for having a little bit of network challenge. 2.25 in base 10, 4 log 2 in base 10, minus 2 log 0.6 in base 10. All right, so the question is for you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Crush it. If you understand it, please dive into it. You have 3 minutes to solve this question. You have 3 minutes to solve this question. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We can do it. We can do it. So simplify, log. Oh, we have 2 persons joining. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. All right, this question is for you. This question is for you. Network really affected this live session. The one we already started with had been cut out. I don't even know if it was uploaded. It's well. It's well. All right, so please let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. If you are done with your answer, you are done with the question, you can drop your answer in the comment section. If you already have the answer to this question, please drop it in the comment section. If you have the answer already, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Please, if you're just joining us, please comment where you're watching us from, where you're watching me from. I would like to see it. Just click on the chat box and tell me where you're watching me from. If you're gaining value from this live session, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. And let's get to work. Let's get to work. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see you all. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Give this live session a big thumbs up. And give me your answers. The answers to this question, the answer to this question, give it to me, give it to me. I want to see it in the comment section. I'm reading your comments. Thank you. Dari was one that answered the other question, the previous question before this one. So please go ahead, go ahead. One minute more, 1 minute to go, 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. If you've gotten the answer, it's simple. If you've gotten the answer, please comment. I want to see your answers. All right, please comment. Whew. 1 minute to go. Almost time. If you have gotten the answer, please, please, I'm begging you to comment. Simplify log 2.25 in base 10 plus 4 log 2 in base 10 minus 2 log 0.6 in base 10. That's the question. And nobody has gotten the answer. Nobody yet. Okay, Dari said his answer is 2. Okay. Thank you, Dari, for at least doing something. Thank you. Thank you. He said his answer is 2. All right, we'll quickly solve it now so that everyone can learn. We'll quickly solve it right away. Okay, so in solving this, log 10 to 0.25 plus 4 log 2 in base 10 minus 2 log 0.6 in base 10. So this is how you solve it. You say log this 2.25, I'll change it to fraction, and then I'll change it to fraction. Our plus changes to times, and then this 2 is here to the power of 4. Are you saying it? Well, we have minus log 0.6 to base 10. Can we see that? So we have log 10 225 over 100 times 16. This will be divide because it's minus 0.6 to the power of 2. And then we continue. So we have 225 over 100 times 16 over 1 divided by 0.6 to the power of 2 will give us 0.36. All right, so let's come here. Log 225 over 100 in base 10 times 16 over 1. I'll change this. This is supposed to give us 36 over 100 so that we don't waste time repeating the same thing again. Are you seeing it? When your division changes to times, this fraction also changes. So the one on top, the numerator goes down and the denominator goes up. So that's what we have. So this 100 cancels this. Let's see what can go. 2 here will give us 8. 2 here will give us 18. 2 can still go. 2 here is 4. 2 here is 9. Is that not so? Can anything go again? Can anything go again? Let's check, let's check, let's check, let's check. Can anything go again? I think 3 can go here. 3 here, 3 in 22 is 7, remember 1, and 3 here is 5. 3 here is 3. 3 can still go. 3 here is 1, and 3 in this place is 2. Is that not so? Remember 3 will go there 2 times, remember 1, and into that is 5. So we have 25. Sorry that everything is jam-packed. So we have 25 times 4. That should give us 100 in base 10. Can you see that? So this is log 10 to power 2 in base 10. And then this 2 comes to the back here. We have log 10 to base 10. And what is log 10 to base 10? That's 1. So we have this as 2 times 1 to give us 2. So, Dari, you are correct. Dari, you are correct. One more time. I like to have someone like you and people like you in my live session. You make the whole work easy. So easy. Thank you so much for your wonderful answers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So the next question, I'll be walking us through on that. So let's wipe this side of the board. Okay, so simplify again. Simplify 5 root 12. This should be number 7. Simplify 5 root 12. 5 root 12 minus 4 root 75 minus 4 root 75 minus 4 root 75 all right, minus 4 root 75 plus 3 plus 3 root 48 plus 3 root 48. 5 root 12 minus 4 root 75. 5 root 12 minus 4 root 75 plus 3 root 48. Okay, so let's solve it. Solution. 5 root 12 minus 4 root 75 plus 3 root 48. Now, like I taught us prime numbers, sword rather, sword, in solving sword, we have to look out for perfect squares. In solving sword, we have to look out for what? Perfect squares. So we have 5. In breaking this down, we'll use 4 and 3 minus 4 root 25 and 3 plus 3 root 48. What perfect square can we use with that? I think that's 16 and 3. 16 and 3. So 4 and 3, 25 and 3, 16 and 3. So now let's split them. We'll have root 4 times root 3 minus 4 root 25 times root 3 plus 3 root 16 times root 3. Can you see that? Okay, so 5 times root 4 will give us 2 root 3 minus 4 root 5 will give us 5 root 3 plus 3 root 16 will give us 4 root 3. So this is 10 root 3 minus 20 root 3 plus 12 root 3. 10 root 3, 20 root 3 plus 12 root 3. Can you see that? All right, so what do we do? Since they are all having root 3, I can factor out root 3 and then let's solve the rest. 10 minus 20 plus 12 root 3. Do you see that? So 10 minus 20 will give us minus 10. Minus 10 plus 12 will give us 2. So our answer is 2 root 3. Quite easily done. Quite easily done. So easy. So simple. Isn't that so? All right. Right about now, we have just 7 minutes to this live session. We're just going to take one more question and we call it a wrap. We call it a day. Okay, so the next question, we're going to crown it all with you solving it. The last question for this session today will be for you to solve. So make sure you crush this question. All right, so let's go. A bookseller. A bookseller a bookseller. A bookseller gives 5% discount to a customer. This is number 8. A bookseller gives 5% discount. 5% discount to a customer who pays cash. To a customer who pays cash. 5% discount to a customer who pays cash. Are you there? What is the marked price of a book for which the customer pays? What is the marked price what is the marked price of a book of a book for which a customer pays? What is the marked price of a book for which a customer pays 400, which a customer pays 475 naira? For which a customer pays 475 naira. So over to you. This is your own question. Let's solve it. 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 All right, all right, all right, all right. One minute more to solve it. 1 minute more to solve it. 1 minute more to solve it. One minute more to solve it. All right, and time up. Time up. I think this question is a bit tough for you guys. Oh, sorry. All right, let's solve it together. Solution. A bookseller gives 5% discount. First thing, you need to understand the question before you know what to solve. Discount is reduction. Do you understand? Discount is reduction. So if a seller gives a customer 5% discount, so which means the customer is to pay 95% of the amount of the marked price for the book. Are you seeing it? So the 5% discount was just a little reduction, and then the customer is to pay 95%. So we're using 95% to work and not 5%. Let's not get it twisted. All right, so with 5%, with 5% discount, the customer pays. With 5% discount, the customer the customer pays 95% of the marked price of the marked price, which is X. So we're using the 95% to solve so that we'll know how much he paid. How much he paid. He said for which a customer pays, this was what he paid at the end. This is what he paid at the end. So we want to know the actual price of the book, the marked price of the book. Do you understand? So 95 over 100 of X, which is the marked price, that resulted to the 475 naira that the person paid. Do you see that? So 95 over 100 times X equals 475. So 95, this gives us 95X over 100 equals to 475 over 1. Do you see that? So cross multiply, we have 4, 7, okay, let's put the 95 here. 95x equals 475 47,500. So we divide both sides by 95. And if we were to punch our calculator, we'll have it as 500. So the marked price for the book cost 500 naira. The marked price of the book cost 500 naira. The bookseller gave him a discount of 5%, and that resulted to him paying 475 naira. So we're asked to find the marked price of the book, which is 500 naira. So this has brought us to the end of the live session for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. We had an amazing time. We've just spent 1 hour plus right here. The network kind of broke everything out, so it is well. We have to call it a wrap. So see you next in my next live session. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thank you. And I love you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.